Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, let's perform a soft reset, and to perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and after that you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and with this method maybe we can fix this problem. But if it didn't help you, also make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of your earbuds. So you have a dot at the bottom and dot at the top. And between them, in the middle, we have touch controls. So you need to tap on it, or double tap, or triple tap. Depends what you want to do. Now, if you know that you tap at the touch controls, also maybe your gestures just disabled. So open Galaxy Wearable app, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and click at the touch controls. So firstly, make sure that it's turned on, so tap at the slider. And by default, these earbuds do not use double press and triple press. So if you have problem with these gestures, you need to only enable it in the app. If you have Apple device, you need to find some Android phone, install the application, add your earbuds to the app, and then enable it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!